Hey learners, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on management. This is a topic in MBA or in your BBA paper. So I hope whenever this topic come in your exam, you will be able to answer after watching this video. So let's start today's video and try to understand this topic in a very easy way. What is management? Management is something we all use, whether it's in a company or within a group or at your home. Okay, everywhere actually you are using management because you are managing yourself, you are managing your task, you are managing things around you. That's why management is something which we all are using. Okay, it involves setting clear goal, planning ahead, organizing people and tasks, and making sure that everything works smoothly to reach those goals. Okay, for example, at your home, when you are hungry, you want to prepare something, you want to cook something. What you do? You plan what sort of ingredient you need, what you are going to cook actually, and for cooking that particular dish, what resources you need, how you can arrange those resources, how you can chop those resources. Okay, and finally how you will cook it, how you will process it so that that dish could be made. Similarly, when in your company you have seen there is a plan, there is a task, and there are duties assigned in different departments or to the different employee, and every employee are working together to accomplish those tasks, and finally the goal is achieved, finally the work or the task is done, and hence the company make profit after selling those production units or after selling those services. Okay, so we can say it involves setting clear goal, planning ahead, organizing people and tasks to make sure everything works smoothly to reach its goal. Okay, in an organization, management bring together all the resources like people, time, and money, and of course the machine also, to achieve its objective. It also set the rules, plans, and policies that everyone follow. Of course, wherever you have multiple people with different thoughts, different way of doing things, you need to come up with a plan so that you can you can avoid mistakes, you can avoid conflict. Okay, so we see that in an organization we have rules, we have plans, we have policies that everyone have to follow so the task or the work could go smoothly. Management build a system where leaders and team members work together through a clear structure of roles and responsibilities. You have seen wherever you are working, your head have certain rules, certain roles, certain responsibilities, and we all actually follow. If we are working under them, we are following. So there is a clear instruction, there is a authority, that authority is providing you the task and you are working according to that. Okay, so what we say, in an organization we see a clear structure of role and responsibility. Your superior provide you the task, you complete the task and give it back to your superior. Okay, now let us see some definition given by authors for management. According to Mary Parker, what they want to say. Mary Parker said, management is about getting work done through other people. Of course, in an organization we have seen number of employees working together to achieve certain goals, certain tasks. That's why Mary Parker say that management is about getting work done through others. Okay, through other people. According to Kunj, you can see management as creating a work environment where people can work together in group to achieve common goals effectively. We have seen within an organization a setup is created where number of people come together, perform the task, achieve the task in a group. Okay, according to F.W. Taylor, management is defined as the skill of knowing what needs to be done and making sure it is done in the best way. Okay? According to Henry Fayol, management include planning, organizing, leading, coordinating, and controlling people's activity. According to George R. Terry, management is a process that involves planning, organizing, guiding, and controlling in order to reach a goal using people and resources. So yeah, these were the definition given by author, and here we have seen what is management. In our another video, we will see importance of management. So don't forget to check the link in description, and if you want to get more videos or you want me to come up with another topic, then let me know so that I can come up with relevant video. Okay, I hope this video was interesting and was helpful for you. If yes, then don't forget to give a thumb up and let me know your opinion in comment box. So now I will take leave from you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.